innovation can come from anywhere. We all know the story of Apple by now. Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak creating a computer in a garage in Palo Alto, California. Only for the company that came from such humble beginnings to become one of the most valuable companies in the world. In my lifetime, I've seen a lot of amazing companies come from such humble beginnings, and as an investment manager, I've helped invest in their journeys along the way. Wouldn't it be great to have been one of the early investors in Apple, Amazon, or even Tesla? The companies that you like and think are cool, right? Today I'm going to tell you how you can be part of the future, and it all starts in investing in the private markets. I'm Udayan Mitra, Co-Chief Investment Officer at Trajan Wealth, and I've been an investment manager for 30 years. Now that's a long time. I've managed money for everyone from billionaire family offices to large institutional investors, and now I'm here to help you. I'm going to go over how our innovation strategy works and what private investment can do for you and all of us. Let's start with what private markets really are. The world of private markets can include a lot of things. Any company, any commercial entity that isn't listed and traded on what we all know as the public markets. That's places like the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, the sort of exchanges that all of you are familiar with. Did you know that there are about 33 million businesses here in the US? We are a big country. Out of that, only 4,300, and I repeat, 4,300 are listed on the public exchanges. So if you're only investing in public companies, you're missing a whole lot of opportunities. But what are those opportunities, and what do we do to invest in them? Here at Trajan Wealth, we focus on companies that want to solve core problems within what we call is the built world. It's not that complicated, folks. We all rely on the built world for our lives every single day. Things like infrastructure, from roads to power plants to recycling centers, even robots that build your houses. These are all things that are ripe for new technologies and new ideas. And that, folks, is what we seek out. New companies with big ideas on how to help us create more sustainable power, help build houses faster, easier, and better, and even ways to help make recycling easier and more efficient. So how do we help these companies build and create the solutions that will help all of us? That's the key to our innovation strategy. We look for solutions based on the intersection of artificial intelligence, robotics, and 3D printing. We also partner with proven investment managers. It just means they've been there, done that. They have the experience, especially when it comes to investing in cutting-edge new technologies. This helps us know that when we find opportunities, they're on the right path. They've been vetted correctly. We also look for ways to partner not only with the companies that have the big ideas, but also those who end up utilizing the new technologies and are willing to invest alongside us. That way, we know at the start of the project, there'll be a customer at the end of the project. That's nice, isn't it? For all you business owners, it's good to know that there's a customer at the end when you develop your product. We also seek out investments at different phases of a new company's life cycle. That often means investing at the later stage of development. This is just another way to help protect our investments. When a company is more established and the technology or idea that they're working on is further along in the development process, it's a good sign that their future is bright and will be eventually commercialized. And that's good for everybody. Our innovation strategy is also a key part of our private market offering, giving our investors a way to jump on board with unique companies solving big, and I mean big, game-changing problems. By focusing on the built world that we use every single day, the companies and investments we seek out are well positioned for the future. Once we find those opportunities, we work to reduce risk in several different ways. As I mentioned, it involves investing in the later stage of the development cycle, as well as investing alongside the end users. While it may not quite be the same as helping the Steves get out of the garage to build the Apple computer, we look for opportunities which may have similar impact. The investment opportunities offered by private markets can help enhance and diversify your portfolio and help solve problems for all of our futures. Who wouldn't like that, right? So, if you're interested in private market investing, check out on the link below. Let us know what new technology you would invest in the comment section. If you found this helpful or just interesting, give us a like and subscribe for more investment info just like this. Thank you, and I'll see you again soon.